today we're gonna replace a key battery and XC90 new model. This is the key. You see in the bag it has this button. You just gotta slide it. And then pull cover. I think it's for the top cover. There we go. And it has another tab right here for the battery. So we use the same thing, slide it down, and this will remove the lower cover. Okay, you have to twist this battery cover. It says open right here. Okay. It's real simple to do. I mean, it's not a big deal. The back cover goes here. You just gotta slide it like this. See, this fat part goes on top. This is the bottom part. This is the top part. And then this one, same way. That should be it.